Welcome to the new weekly report analysis with the Harmonic SEP scanner. On the Harmonic SEP scanner the previous week I have covered several symbols, but before that you can also join the scanner by visiting harmonic.app domain and then clicking in the right corner a scanner, which will open a new page where we will see a scanner showing you harmonic patterns on the chart, and you will have the details inside this small window which harmonic patterns have been formed, and you can see them separately by clicking on each of them on the chart. In the left upper corner you can select which symbol you would like to have. You can type any of the symbols right here, for example Euro USD, and then you can select which broker you would like to have, and in this case I will use from Oanda. So this is a 1 day, which is daily time frame, and on the daily time frame for the Euro USD you have all these patterns. Some of them are harmonic patterns and some of them are chart patterns. For example, candlestick patterns, which is a chart pattern that shows us a triangle with a possible breakout. We have an entry point, which is the blue line, and we have a stop loss, which is the red line, with the take profit as a green line. Then you have other patterns, which are, for example, a bat pattern, which is harmonic pattern, shows you that there is a potential reversal zone, which is a gray area on the chart, which shows us a potential entry level. So for this case, the Harmonic SEP scanner shows you that you could enter into the trade from here to here in this gray area, where the stop loss would be the red line and the first take profit would be first green line and the second green line here. So you have all the details visible here inside the small window where you have potential reversal zone. This is the gray area. Then you have a target 1, which is the first green line. You have a target 2, which is the second green line. Then you have a stop loss, which is a red line, and you have a risk to reward 3.6, which is also a very important level. The risk to reward ratio shows you if you enter right here at the blue line, which is 1.09373, the stop loss would be at 1.09996. This would be, with the take profit here, would be 3.6 a risk to reward ratio, which is a great information. Then if you would like to completely remove all these patterns from here, you could show or hide all. So you have a clean chart for making the analysis. If you would like to remove this small window with all patterns visible on the scanner, you could simply click this one, hide or show floating pattern list. Now the next step what you can have is the monitor tab, where you have all the details with the table below that, below the chart. You have a chart, and above that you have several filters that you can have. Here you have a possibility to type which symbol you would like to filter from all of these below. You have a settings where you can select the time frame, asset class, pattern type. So you can select any of these. I have selected completed, which means the pattern that has been formed on the chart is completed. But you have also possibility to have incomplete patterns. All details about complete and incomplete you can watch inside the video YouTube channel of the Harmonic SEP, where you have all the details which explains these possibilities as a pattern status. You have a time frame which you can select. You can activate or deactivate all of them. You can select separately by clicking on one of these checkboxes. You have asset class, forex, commodity, metal, bond, indices, and you have patterns which are available on the Harmonic SEP scanner. Then you have here a security, where you can define which major or minor and exotic pairs on the forex you would like to have, and below that you have bonds if you would like, or indices, or commodity, or metal. These symbols are all available on the Harmonic SEP scanner. After that you have below that symbol a column that shows you which symbol. Then you have a green or red arrow that shows you which is it bullish or bearish pattern formed on the chart. Then you have a pattern, the name of the pattern formed on the chart. You have a time frame at which the pattern has been formed, and then you have a status, which could be successful or failed or complete. Complete means it is ready to be traded. Successful is it already reached the take profit level, or failed is it reached the stop loss. So you have on the right side you have the details, which is the date, with sometimes with the incorrect date, but this is less important, and you have a risk reward which is not available currently for that symbol. So for example, let's take daily time frame and select which security I would like to have. I would like to have, for example, just a minute, I will need to close all of them. I will use gold, which means this one. So we'll see which patterns has been formed here on the Harmonic SAP scanner. Now, for now, we can see that currently we have only this one, which is a shark. And if we would like to make a selection even more, which is filter, we can make, sorry, we need to put, the name should be caps lock and USD. Click enter and you make additional filter between all of these we can see below. Now we can see this is the gold on the 1 day time frame, the daily time frame, which has a shark pattern format, which is currently a bearish bad pattern. Shark pattern, sorry, and then we have a status currently it is failed. This means that this pair has reached first a stop loss and then moved in a way reaching the take profit. So this is the failed pattern because the first level that has been reached was a stop loss. Then moving the next one, which is notification tab. Inside this window you have an availability to select which symbols, which pattern, which time frame you would like to receive on the Telegram. You can see that there is a Telegram bot that shows you information when the pattern has been formed on the chart. You get a notification on the Telegram with the link which will guide you directly to the chart, just like in this example. Let's say we select this one, USD CHF. It is a bad pattern on the 4-hour time frame. We click on it and you get immediately transferred here on the chart, visible with this pattern with these details, which is the potential reversal zone, entry level, stop loss level as a red line, first green line, first take profit, and the second take profit as a second green line. So now you can see what is the pattern formed on the chart, what is the symbol, what is the time frame, 240 minutes, which is 4-hour time frame, and then you can see the details if you would like to open the trade or make the analysis confirming this pattern as valid with the entry levels. So these are the informations that you can select. Here you have a settings where you can select several filters, which is the first one is time frame. Then you have possibility to select which patterns you would receive notification on the Telegram for, and there is a pattern type which is a bullish or bearish or both of them. C point and D point represents if the D point is formed, this is complete pattern. If you select only the C point, this is the pattern that has been not formed completed, but it needs to wait until the D point is formed on the chart. This is up to you which patterns type you would like. Then you have a watch list. You can select for Forex Major, Forex Minor, or you can add more of them if you would like to have more of them. For example, you have possibility to select also a crypto value, crypto symbols, by adding here which crypto you would like. If this is available, for example, BTC, USD, it is available. It will show you here as a line. Simply click on it and it will be added. You can see that here. Here in the list, so you will receive a notification when there is harmonic pattern formed on the chart on the selected filters. So when you receive a notification from the Harmonic SAP scanner, you can go to the chart, make the analysis, or you can simply enter the entry level with stop loss take profit levels, and after that you can make the analysis if that is something you would like to do. In the previous videos, you can watch also this one here, I have explained what is the potential bad pattern that is confirmed as a valid one for me based on the technical analysis. We can see that it was hung on 33 in the previous week. The price was at 18721. Currently the price is at 18283, so the price has dropped down. The price is following this bearish bad pattern where the first take profit is at 17578. We can see that here. This will be around this support level. So currently this bearish bad pattern is following this analysis that has been made inside this video. If you would like to check, go to the Harmonic SAP Scanner YouTube channel. Then we have also a possibility to join the Telegram group, which is only for the gold members. If you would like to join as a gold member, you receive a notification during the week and also the analysis on the bad patterns that are in line with the technical analysis. If you would like to watch this, you can also check which bad patterns are in line with the trend. So for example, this one, Hong Kong 33, was analyzed during the week for the gold members, where I have explained what are very important levels, and it is in line with the technical analysis. After that, we have here Euro against CZK, which means, let me check which one is this, the one, Euro Czech, okay, Wanda. Let me check, this was on 1 day, okay, it was a daily. Let's change the daily time frame, remove all the patterns visible here, and let me check the details. This was like this, and we can see that the entry level was at 24.69 and 24.46. 24.69, the price has reached this area, and currently it is still bouncing between these two price levels, not moving up or down. So currently this bullish bad pattern is still valid, and I am waiting for the price to move in the direction. So for now, the price is the pattern is still open. We'll see, will the price reach the take profit, first one, and the second one, what is visible here on the chart. So if you would like to receive this notification and also which patterns has been confirmed as valid based on the technical analysis, you can join the gold membership and you will receive a Telegram link to join. If you would like to make your own analysis, receive notification from the Harmonic SAP Scanner over the Telegram, simply click the join button and use the 7-day free trial so you can see how this goes and is it okay for you or not. You have all the details visible here on the monitor notification, but if you visit here Harmonic SAP Scanner on the YouTube, you will also have all the details and more videos how to use the Harmonic SAP Scanner. So this is all for this week. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or send me a message over the contact page. And that is all for this week. See you next time. Happy trading.